दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। The appellants question the judgment and orders passed by the division bench of the High Court of Kerala in writ appeal. According to the appellants, they were appointed against substantive posts created by the resolution of the Syndicate of Mahatma Gandhi University, the university for short, through selection processes which were in complete compliance of the provisions of the concerned university statutes, and on completion of 1 year of service, the university declared the appellants to have satisfactorily completed their probation. But the university refused to implement pay revision to the teachers so appointed, including the appellants describing them as appointed temporarily. This led to the filing of OP number 3818 of 2003, which was allowed by the single judge of the High Court. The division bench in appeal preferred by the university, however, set aside the decision of the single judge and later dismissed review petitions as well, leading to the filing of these appeals by special leave. After having secured conditional approval, the syndicate of the university in its meeting resolved to start B.Tech courses in certain disciplines. It was further resolved to create posts of teachers at various levels in said disciplines. At the same time, teachers for some of the subjects, namely geometrical drawing, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and humanities, were to be engaged on contract basis. Accordingly, an order was issued by the university on 10/7/1996 creating posts in terms of said resolution. The order also dealt with teachers to be appointed on contract basis in relation to 5 subjects mentioned herein above. A notification was issued inviting applications in prescribed form from qualified candidates inter alia for the posts of teachers under the School of Technology and Applied Sciences in the university. It mentioned that the qualifications for the posts would be same as for similar posts in the government aided engineering colleges, and communal reservations as prescribed in the statutes would be observed while filing up of the posts. Thereafter, sanction was accorded by the Vice Chancellor for constituting various scrutinizing committees for selection to the posts of professors and lecturers. Some of the appellants were appointed as lecturers pursuant to the selection undertaken in terms of the notification, while some were selected against the additional posts created in terms of the resolution. The university issued another notification inviting applications for appointment of teaching or technical posts under the School of Technology and Applied Sciences in the university. The posts were stated to be transferable among 4 units of School of Technology and Applied Sciences. The posts were of lecturers in mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, and computer science. In addition, applications were also invited for 3 posts of lecturers in mathematics, which posts were on temporary basis for a period of 3 years but were likely to be made permanent. Again, a screening committee was appointed after due sanction from the Vice Chancellor of the university to shortlist the applications received for the posts of lecturers. The appellants 2 and 4 were selected in the selection process so undertaken as lecturers in computer science and engineering and mechanical engineering respectively. Thereafter, orders were issued by the university in respect of appellants 1 and 5 that they had satisfactorily completed probation as lecturers in University College of Engineering. Under an order issued by the university, benefits of the Kerala government pay revision 1997 for non-teaching technical staff were extended to those who were appointed along with the appellants. Government of Kerala issued an order implementing revised scales of pay for teachers in engineering colleges in the state in accordance with the scheme approved by the Government of India. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। पूरी उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने इसे अच्छे से लिखा होगा। 120 की स्पीड ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइड की जा चुकी है। पिछली क्लास में बताया था कि कहाँ पर प्रोवाइड की जा चुकी है, तो अगर आपको वो डिक्टेशंस लिखना चाहते हैं आप, तो आप पेड कोर्स को ले सकते हैं। आपसे मुलाकात करूंगा अगली क्लास में। तब तक आप कमेंट्स में बताइएगा कि कैसी रही आपकी डिक्टेशन, कितनी आई मिस्टेक्स, और वीडियो को लाइक किए बिना मत जाइएगा, शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा अगर अब तक नहीं किया है तो। मुलाकात करता हूँ आपसे अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।